This is a panic button. It is a component of the church's security system. When activated, the Security Monitoring Service will notify the Derry Township Police Department that there is an emergency at the church. There is no audible alarm when a panic button is activated. However, there are 4 blue strobe lights that will flash to notify others in the building that there is an emergency. This video shows how to activate the panic button in locations where the blue strobe lights are located. To activate the panic button, press and hold the button for more than 2 seconds. You will know you've activated the button when the red light flashes. There is a blue strobe light in the church office area. There is also one in room 8 and room 11 used by Dairy Discovery Days. There is also one in the nursery.